Session object. This is one of the much more advanced than the normal user, and this is also useful for your deployment. And if you, this is one of the things that really useful for the much more advanced. And it is defined like this. If you see this session as an optional parameter, and this is all information about the environment, that from which URL this is coming, or what other information, how many users, how many sessions, and so on. So it has this link having a good amount of detail over here, this one, so that you can access. And to practice, I have created one file 19. This should be good enough, but try to do it when you become quite expert in signing. As a beginner, do not get into this one because it may not be that much clear in the very beginning. So once you are expert, please go ahead and do it. See, if you use the HTML, there are a lot of the tags. If you give this command names tags, you will see these are the tags. You can use it as and when you want. And the few I have given over here, suppose A for hyperlink, BR for line break, code for some computer code, and some, these are the H1 headings, horizontal line, image, and so on. So these are the HTML tags. Also you can use it seamlessly. And a few of the best practices. See, in case of RSigning, try to have only the visualization part. If you have any advanced thing or machine learning or calculation, let that happen in the R or any other technology. Don't bring it to RSigning. RSigning only to show you the result. And you have seen the ID, labels, stitched. So no need of hard coding this one. This should be in the config file. Okay. And what are the various steps for development? Start the UI development with a very simple UI. And then start developing the corresponding part in the server. So this way, keep on changing the UI as per the client requirement, and keep on updating the server as and when you keep on needing it. So UI and server corresponding. And if you are writing in a two different functions, say helper function, make sure keep on writing the same name. Say UI my function, my UI, UI my this one, then server my server, and so on. So that at least you have the similar name convention for both UI and server. Okay, and write in such a way that something can be reused as much as possible. Okay? And if UI you have already like these few things over here, so it can run different times. Or the like UI code will run once per session, server code will run once per end user, the reactive function will run once per reaction, and so on. So these are the few things which you should take care when you are going ahead. Signy server is something it has been built to host the Signy apps, and you can see the detail over at this link. And it is the professional is a paid service. Just to add for your information. And in case of showcase, these are the things you can see the some of the work done in the Signy. So I'll encourage you to please visit these links and see the work done. This will give you the confidence that even you can develop those kind of dashboard. These are the references. There are a lot of the references, and that's all. Thanks for having such a long journey. I hope it was useful for you. And I have also written that how what should be your approach for the future learning. So please wait for my email. That as soon as you finish this video, you will get that email. And still, if you find something more should be there, do not hesitate to write it on the discussion board. And I appreciate your patience for such a long journey, and I hope it was a learning for you. And I feel confident that definitely you can. You have acquired some knowledge, and I request you to practice for next 1 to 3 months, and hopefully after that you will be able to work in most of the AI and machine learning projects. Thank you. I appreciate your help. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. God bless you.